बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामुअलैकुम। प्यारे बच्चों, कैसे हैं आप लोग? मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ अल्लाह ताला के फजल व करम से आप सब ठीक होंगे। आज के इस वीडियो लेक्चर में मैं आपको फ़िज़िक्स क्लास 9 के फुल बुक ऑब्जेक्टिव पढ़ाता हूँ। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। चैप्टर नंबर 1, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, द नंबर ऑफ बेस यूनिट्स इन SI आर 7। Question number 2, which one of the following unit is not a derived unit? Kilogram. Question number 3, amount of a substance in terms of numbers is measured in mole. Question number 4, an interval of 200 microsecond is equivalent to 2 multiply 10 to the raised power minus 4 second. Question number 5, which one of the following is the smallest quantity? 5000 nanogram. Question number 6, which instrument is most suitable to measure the internal diameter of a test tube? Vernier calipers. Question number 7, a measuring cylinder is used to measure volume. Question number 8, ratio of micro to milli is equal to milli. Question number 9, 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Question number 10, least count of meter roll is 1 millimeter. Question number 11, in 2001 number of significant figures are 4. Question number 12, the ratio between smallest deviation on main scale and number of deviations on vernier scale is called vernier constant. Question number 13, least count of vernier calipers is 0.1 millimeter. Question number 14, the smallest measurement that a measuring instrument can measure accurately is called least count. Question number 15, pitch of screw gauge is 1 millimeter. Question number 16, number of base quantities are 7. Question number 17, least count of screw gauge is 0.01 millimeter. Question number 18, light year is the unit of distance. Question number 19, 3.3 gigahertz is equal to 3300 multiply 10 to the raised power 6 hertz. Question number 20, least count of digital stopwatch is 0.01 second. Question number 21, 1 picometer is equal to 10 to the raised power minus 12 meter. Chapter number 2, question number 22, a body has translatory motion if it moves without rotation. Question number 23. The motion of a body about an axis is called rotatory motion. Question number 24. Which of the following is not vector quantity? Speed. Question number 25. By dividing the displacement of moving body with the time, we obtain velocity. Question number 26. A ball is thrown in vertically upward. Its velocity at the highest point is 0. Question number 27. A change in position is called displacement. Question number 28. A train is moving at a speed of 36 km per hour. Its speed is expressed in meter per second as 10 meter per second. Question number 29. Random motion of gas molecules is called Brownian motion. Question number 30. Falcon can fly at a speed of 200 km per hour. Question number 31. Rate of change of displacement of a body is called velocity. Question number 32. Cheetah can run at a speed of 70 km per hour. Question number 33. Slope of distance time graph represents speed. Question number 34. To convert meter per second to kilometer per hour, we multiply with 3.6. Question number 35. Value of gravitational acceleration is 10 meter per second per second. Question number 36. Area under the speed time graph represents distance. Question number 37. Rate of change of velocity of a body is called acceleration. Question number 38. Slope of velocity time graph represents acceleration. Question number 39. In a complete circle, total displacement covered by a body is 0. Question number 40. Which of the following is vector quantity displacement? Chapter number 3. Question number 41. Newton's first law of motion is valid only in the absence of net force. Question number 42. Which of the following is unit of momentum? Newton second. Question number 43. Inertia depends upon mass. Question number 44. When horse pulls a cart, the action is on the earth and cart. Question number 45. Weight is a vector quantity. Question number 46. Which material lowers friction when pushed between metal plates. Oil. Question number 47. Momentum is defined as P is equal to mv. Question number 48. Newton's laws of motion were established in 1687. Question number 49. SI unit of coefficient of friction is no unit. Question number 50. Atwood machine is used to find the value of gravitational acceleration. Question number 51. Second law of Newton is F is equal to ma. Question number 52. A rocket works on the principle of Newton's third law. Question number 53. Weight of body is measured by spring balance. Question number 54. The dryer of washing machine works on the principle of centrifuge. Question number 55. Rate of change of momentum is called force. Question number 56. 1 Newton is defined as 1 Newton is equal to 1 kilogram meter per second per second. Question number 57. Value of coefficient of friction between tire and dry road is 1. Question number 58. The force that oppose motion of a body, friction. Question number 59. SI unit of weight is Newton. Question number 60. Formula of centripetal force is mv square over r. Question number 61. The value of coefficient of friction mu s between tire and wet road is 0.2. Question number 62. Mathematical form of centripetal acceleration is AC is equal to V square over R. Chapter number 4. Question number 63. Two equal but unlike parallel forces having different line of action produce couple. Question number 64. Number of forces that can be added by head to tail rule, any number. Question number 65. Number of perpendicular components of a force are 2. Question number 66. A force of 10 Newton is making an angle of 30 degree with horizontal. Its horizontal component will be 8.7 Newton. Question number 67. The turning effect of force is called torque. Question number 68. First condition of equilibrium is sigma f is equal to 0. Question number 69. SI unit of torque is Newton meter. Question number 70. States of equilibrium are 3. Question number 71. Second condition of equilibrium is sigma tau is equal to 0. Question number 72. A body is in equilibrium when its acceleration is 0. Question number 73. The forces that are parallel to each other and have the same direction are called like parallel forces. Question number 74. Formula of torque is tau is equal to F multiply L. Question number 75. The process of resolving a force into its perpendicular components is called resolution.